let's look at how to find ebooks through Valencia College's online catalog. I've already clicked Search the Library in Atlas to get to the catalog. So to find an ebook, I'm going to go to Limit To and change all items to ebooks. When you look for ebooks or e-videos, you do not have to make a selection for your campus, as all Valencia campuses share ebooks together. So from here, you can put in your search terms. It might be a keyword, or you might actually have the title of a book. So you can type that in and click Search. Once your search results load, you'll click the View Online link underneath the title, and then click the Valencia link. A new window should open up with your ebook. We purchase ebooks from a few different companies, so not all ebooks may look like this, but you're looking for some kind of button on the left-hand side. It might say Read Online, like this one does, or it might say PDF Full Text. You'll click that button, and that will open the ebook for you. You can see it's just a scan of the book page by page. That would be a little exhausting to try to find your topic. So on the left-hand side, you can go through the table of contents until you find the chapter that works for you or covers your topic, and then go right to the chapter. Or you can use the Search Within Book bar to put in any kind of keyword that will take you directly to the page that covers your topic. All of your options for this database are at the top. You can download certain chapters or selections from the ebook as a PDF file so you can read them later or attach them to an assignment or discussion board. You can print pages, and then some ebooks will even give you a citation. Make sure that you're picking APA, and always double check the citations given to you in the database against the APA handbook to make sure that they have all the required information.